Friends, running kimono. So I made a video yesterday about a lot of 90% clearance I was finding at Walgreens. And if you didn't find it, always check on Saturdays and Tuesdays, or don't be shy to ask the employees at your store when they have markdowns on clearance items. You could say your Aunt Rach up in Michigan is hitting the mother load and you just were curious if, things were going to be on clearance anytime soon, and maybe a very friendly employee might share with you. So I went into my IBOTTA account, and I love IBOTTA, and there was $2 rebates back for a hairstyling Axe product. So I got back $4 for the purchase of both of these. So it made it free plus a $1.05 moneymaker for each hair gel. If you have not signed up for IBOTTA, check out the link in the notes. Sign up today. First qualifying offer, $10 bonus. But this, wow, it gets better. One of you guys actually mentioned this to me, that this rebate popped up on Monday, the 3rd, which is $3 back for these Oli gummies. So it made it free plus an 81-cent moneymaker. I read through a lot of the comments, and a lot of you were saying this is unmarked clearance in most stores. It is the 70 count of this one specifically. I show you the UPC in yesterday's video. But yeah, this was an 81-cent moneymaker. So I'm going to look for more this week because I like money-making things over at Walgreens with IBOTTA. Now, in case you missed it last week, I made a video about the Christmas clearance at most of the stores that I shop at, the schedule, what to expect, blah, blah, blah. Video linked at the very end if you wish to watch it. Lots of very good information if you want to use, a little bit of Walgreens cash, or if you want to pursue that 25-cent in sale in January over at the Dollar General, which is always really fantastic. Check that video out. Okay guys, so here is my haul. We have Walmart right here. We have Hobby Lobby right here. I only got a couple items. And then Rite Aid, I had a bunch of bonus cash that I just depleted. The deals are very slow, and for whatever reason I noticed that it just seems like they say 30 days till your bonus cash expires, but for me, I just either can't keep track of it or just expires really quickly. Nevertheless, we have 75% off, 90% off, and 75% off. And if you have a Target, Christmas hit 90, which was on Monday. So I would head over there sooner than later, along with Hobby Lobby. The weather report for you guys, kind of a warmer day. As you can see, we're having a bit of thawage right there. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a superb day. So just to kind of change things up a little bit, we're going to start with Hobby Lobby, and I just got a couple items too. It's nothing too crazy, but I did find these cookie jars, and they're quite sizable, and I thought they were really cute. It has a vintage Santa motif, and I really love that look. So what I think for storage, because I'm going to be gifting these next year, I'm going to flip the television inside into the cookie jar so these don't get broken in my wonderful storage. So these guys were originally $39.99, and at 90% off, it is $4. So that is really good. Now by this line, it's called the Christmas Shoppy or Shop. This beautiful, as you can see, we've had a couple cats already lay on it. It is a tree skirt. Every year our cats seem to destroy the tree skirt. So for $5, 90% off. That was a really good find, and this will be destroyed by next year. And then the last thing I found was a little doormat, and it just says Mary. I was looking for a really nice one, and I couldn't find one, but I did find one at Hobby Lobby, and this guy was $29.99, and I got it for $3. So very happy with my little Hobby Lobby find. A lot of the other doodads, wrapping paper, that sort of stuff, I'm going to stick at Walgreens or at Dollar General. But happy with my haul. I would recommend to get out there ASAP because it's not going to last long than 90% off merchandise. Okay, so you're going to be looking for this sign specifically at Hobby Lobby where it'll say 90% off, and they usually have all the stuff reserved to a couple aisles at the front of the store. And don't be shy to look around the store because sometimes they don't pull things or things get... But look high and low, you might find the mother lode of really cool stuff. So the next store that we have is Walmart, and I was there a couple days ago. They hit 75% off. So we're just going to go through a couple quick things that I picked up. So the first item that I have is this little sticker thing. I thought I could put it on top of a gift. How fun is that? One of my nieces will really enjoy it. And it was like 24 cents. The little Santa vintage, you can kind of see how I like to decorate. Everything is like classic Christmas. This guy was $1.25. The original price point was $4.97. You know that weird Walmart math. Everything's like $4.97 or $9.97. So there you have that. I thought these cards were so cute, and I was going to buy them at $10 earlier in the you know, when I saw them at the store, but nobody wanted them. And this is totally up my alley because I love themes. It's just part of my immature personality. These were $2.50 each, and they look like a lot of fun for next year. For the parents, I picked up one for each parent. These are the American Greetings, and it's a pop-up Christmas card. And I think the original price was $5.99, so I think I paid like $1.50 for these. It was almost $6, but it's of a really beautiful quality. I know my mother-in-law will absolutely love it, as will my mom, so I got one for each of them. So something to look forward to. Now this is interesting. It's called a premium gift wrapping set. And I know how earlier I was like, I'm just gonna buy stuff at the Dollar General or Walgreens, and here I am lying already. But this stuff, if you really look at it, try to open it up. I love how these bows are stored so I will not smash them. And I usually get that bag and then I ruin the bows and they look like hell. But I love the colors. These are all boxes and stuff. I just thought I love this color motif. I can wrap anything in this little dotted paper, and look how much paper you're getting. Like, that is a lot. Sorry it's an out of focus mess, but I thought these two colors all year long, and they're so fun and playful. These bows all year long. And this little paper kit was $3.75 from $15. So I will pay that. I mean, honestly, if I just go to the Dollar Tree, get one of these with a quarter of the paper, I'd have to buy 4. I've already paid for this. And I like that it's in a box, so I will not smash or, you know, like crease all of this stuff and it'll look like hell. Like, here's a present with awful wrapping. It'll just stay really nice. So yeah, I really like this. Now for my father-in-law, I saw this earlier around Christmas time, and I was thinking about getting it for him. It has popcorn and sriracha sauce, but every one at my store was really smashed in because it comes with this cheaper aluminum. So I bought this for him, and I'm gonna put sriracha and a couple goodies in there. Obviously I can't give him the stuff from last year. It's probably all expiring. And I can flip this spout inside of it, so it'll be easier to store. But the sriracha was $5.75, and I just bought it for the container because he likes sriracha, so I thought it would be a fun little gift. Now this is a great little find, these Nostalgia waffle makers. They had other Valentine's Day Nostalgia waffle makers in the same location. So anything with red, the employee just put it all in one area, and these were $3 each. I picked up 4 of them. My husband has a pretty large family, so for like all the kids and the parents per family, you know, 4 couples, I thought I would throw in this with some stockpile goodies, a little waffle maker. How sweet is that? And then the last thing for my eldest brother, I picked up this Old Spice. So it's this like dragon with a deodorant. And in the past I have bought, I bought my brother this last year, the octopus, and then I got him the dragon this year. So it's just something kind of silly. And this guy was $3.72. So why did I go to Walmart and buy all this stuff? You know, it's $75 and not $90. I just knew, because there was a lot of people going crazy with the Walmart clearance, that I wouldn't be able to find a lot. And I think I did find quite a few good things that I will gift and use. And that's what I was specifically looking for. I'm just not looking for a cart of stuff just because. I want to purposefully buy stuff that I will use and that, you know, I will use for gifts, you know, just that sort of a thing. Trying to shop with some intention this year. Last store that we have is Rite Aid, and as I was saying earlier when I was complaining, I am really having a difficult time flipping my bonus cash, and it seems like one week the deals are popping really great, and then the next week it's just like hard to find a deal happening over at Rite Aid. I'd rather shop at like Walgreens and Dollar General, so basically what I've decided was to put a little bit of a pause on Rite Aid this year. But that's okay. I will come back if there's a really good deal, and I do follow Ravi, so if something really piques my interest, I will go back. But I didn't really have that much bonus cash on both of my store cards, mine and my husband's. I think I had all together, guys, like $30, 10 on one and 20 on another. It wasn't much. So I'll show you what I got. These cute little Christmas socks, and I always like to put together like a beauty kit for all my sister-in-laws, so, and for my mom too. These socks were 38 cents each. That is a steal of a deal, and how stinking cute are some of these. Really, really cute. All of these gift sets, so this one, and Mr. Olay, $2.49 each. Not many left, but very pleased with what I got. And this little body care one, it has a wash, and then the fancier one, this coupon came inside too, so I already snagged that. And these were also $2.49 as well, which are these little scunchies, and they don't look like Christmas scrunchies. They look like you could wear them any time of the year, and I have a lot of hair, so I like to put my hair up in a really tall bun, and these really hold the hair well, so that's why I bought 2 of them, and they were $2.49 each. This little pet bed was like closer to $30. So this was the one item I did pay up a little bit for. It was $7.49. We have one cat, Pumpkin, who likes to basically live in one of these. He just likes to nap all day. So I just will replace his old bed because it gets full of matted cat hair. So a little something for Pumpkin. This little really adorable peanuts, like little for outside, they light up. This was also $7.49 over at Rite Aid. Now a cute little stocking stuffer for my nieces. I'm already planning the stockings for next year are these lip smackers. They were $1.12 each, so I think those are super uber cute. This is a product I've always been interested in. It's the Hemp's lotion. Guys, don't be fooled by this, but this is only 2.25 fluid ounces. It's an itty bitty amount. But I hear a lot of good things from you guys about this. And I think at Walgreens, it's like $19.99 for one of these lotions. So these were $1.82, and I was gonna like hold on to them and maybe gift them, and it's a future gift. But I had 3 of them, and I put the 3rd one on my hands yesterday because I do hand sanitize a lot. And this was like butter on your skin. It's not oily, and it really like moisturizes your hands. So this is a very nice product. And initially I was like, I'm not interested in that, it's too expensive, but it's really nice. So I was really delighted with that. So as stated, Rite Aid 75% off, Hobby Lobby 90, Target is 90 as well. That started on Monday. And then Walmart was also 75. So get out, try and find some deals, and when this hits 90 and when this hits 90, probably not a lot of merchandise left, but it's always part of the hunt. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.